Shareholder. An owner of shares in a company or business. Pension. A sum paid regularly to a person, usually after retirement. Financial literacy. The knowledge and skill set necessary to be an informed consumer and manage finances effectively. Literacy. The ability to read and write. Dogma. Stating opinions without proof. Mortgage. A specific type of loan that is used to buy real estate. Estate. All the money and property owned by a particular person, especially death. Motivation. A need or desire that energizes and directs behavior. Accumulation. An increase in amount over a period of time. Franchise. The right to sell a good or service within an exclusive market. Revolve. To travel around. Excess. Too much, more than is reasonable. Ignorance. Lack of knowledge. Combine. Merge. Broad. Wide, large. Loophole. A legal method by which individuals and businesses are allowed to reduce the tax liabilities owed to the government. Profound. Having deep meaning. Expense. Money spent. Proprietor. An owner of a store or other business. Docile. Easy to teach or manage, obedient. Capital gain. The profit from the sale of an asset such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. Fiscal. A government policy for dealing with the budget. Bureaucrat. A career government employee. Outsmart. To gain an advantage by thinking effectively. Intellectual. A person who uses the mind creatively. Humble. Humility. Substantial. Large, important, major, significant, prosperous, not imaginary, material. Subsidiary. A company that is completely controlled by another company. Analyze. Break down in order to bring out the essential elements or structure. Essential. Necessary. Immobilize. To make something unable to move. Portfolio. A portable case for holding writing materials, drawings, etc. A range of investments held by a person or organization. Arrogance. A feeling of too much pride in oneself. Obstacle. Something that stands in the way of achieving a goal. Envy. A feeling of discontent or covetousness with regard to another's advantages, success, possessions, etc. Lease. To rent. Rent. A fee charged for the use of property or land. Valuable. Something that is worth a lot of money or is important in some way. Brand. A name, term, symbol, design, or combination thereof that identifies a seller's products and differentiates them from competitors' products.